this is Dr. Sumaya Banu, lecturer from Department of Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Sciences, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R.Physio Education and Research Institute. So today we will be seeing about whole body vibrator. So whole body vibrator is a machine that converts and sends mechanical vibrations into the body. So because of this, there are very great effects which can affect the body, increasing the muscular strength, endurance and other fitness qualities in a person. So this can also be used for various chronic conditions like multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's and fibromyalgia. So let's see what's in the machine actually. So generally what are the parts we have in a whole body vibrator? We have a LED display. Okay, so LED display, in this display we will be setting according to the speed and the time which is required. And then we have handles which will be helpful for stability, and then we have a vibrating platform where the subject stands and the vibrations are produced from the vibrating platform to the person who is on the vibrating platform. So generally 3 basic principles are important in a whole body vibrator. So let's see what are the 3 basic principles. So first one is the frequency, second one is the amplitude, and third one is the direction. So frequency, why frequency is important? Let's see. So frequency we can divide it into 2 types, that is high frequency and low frequency, and this frequency is measured in hertz. So low frequency, the hertz is less than 20, and in high frequency the hertz differs from 20 to 50 hertz. So what happens is that high frequency of vibrations is used for generating high muscular powers, and whereas low frequency is used for giving a smoothing and relaxed effect. So amplitude, next we can see about the amplitude. So frequency, that's it. So frequency is equal to number of vibrations that is produced per minute, and this is measured in hertz, and we have both generally high and low frequency. So next we can move on what are they know about the amplitude. So amplitude is nothing but the intensity of vibrations that is going to be produced. So intensity, let's see why it is important. So what happens is that the intensity should be manageable for the subject who is standing on the whole body vibrator. So intensity of amplitude is either larger amplitude or in a smaller amplitude. And then we can move about the direction. So generally we have 3 directions in this, that is we have vertical, horizontal, and then we have multi-direction. So in vertical direction the vibrations are produced in up and down manner, whereas in horizontal direction the vibrations are produced in a seesaw-like manner, that is front and back movement is produced. And whereas in multi-directional we have a combination of vertical as well as horizontal, plus we have a rotational vibrations which are produced. So multi-directionally the vibrations will be produced in horizontal, vertical and in a rotational momentum. So now let's discuss about what are the types of vibrators that are present. So generally there are 3 types of vibrator machines present, that is linear vibrator machine, whole body vibrator machine, pivotal vibrator machines and multi-directional vibrator machine. So in linear vibrator machines what happens is that this produces only vertical type of vibrations, that is only up and down kind of vibrations, and this kind of vibration is used for improving the muscular strength and endurance. So second type of vibrator machines is the pivotal machines. So this pivotal machines produces horizontal vibrations, that is as we saw earlier, seesaw-like movement. This is going to produce movements, vibrations that are back and forth. So what is the importance? Let's see. So this kind of vibrations are used for stabilizing as well as giving a rhythmic and relaxation effect inside the person who is standing or using the vibrator machine. And third one is the multi-directional machine, and this vibrator machines is produces high intense amount of vibrations, and this mainly concentrates in improving the balance, and it improves the coordination of the person. Now let's discuss about how these vibrations are transferred from the machine to the human body. So what happens is that when a person stands on the vibrating platform, the mechanical forces and vibrations are transferred to the human body to the contact area. So if a person is standing on the vibrator platform, what happens is that when the vibrations are produced, the mechanical energies are transferred from the vibrating plate to the body to the contact area. And what happens is that our body muscles and bones act as general shock absorbers. So what happens is that the vibrations, the mechanical oscillations are observed, and this mechanical vibrations are distributed toward the body, and this produces massive contraction and relaxations of the muscles. So physiologically what happens is that due to this vibrations, generally the blood circulation increases, lymphatic drainage increases, and then the cardiovascular endurance increases, and the muscle strength increases. This also boosts the immune power. So what happens is that due to this physiological responses, indirectly the muscle strength is improved, the muscular endurance is improved, and then there are various changes in the body that will be helpful in the body fitness. This also increases the joint stability and mobility as well. So now let's discuss about what are the benefits of this. So generally we have seen about the benefits. What are them? It increases the muscular endurance, cardiovascular endurance, and this improves the growth of the muscles and the joint bone tissues. So this will prevent the recurrence of fractures that can occur in osteoporotic persons. So generally we have saw whom to use this machine. So we can see now discuss about what are the contraindications. So generally contraindications are pregnant women should not use this whole body vibrators, and those who have severe migraine or implantation of cardiac pacemakers should not use these machines. So let's demonstrate how to use this machine. So generally, as we saw, we will be setting all the required needs. We will be setting the time, we will be setting the time speed, and according to our requirement, we can set the speed which is required, and then we are going to start the program. So this is how the vibrations are transferred from the vibrating platform to the person who is using the whole body vibrator. If there is any sudden emergency or the patient feels discomfort, we can immediately discontinue or stop the usage of the machine. So generally, according to the research, we can say that this kind of whole body vibrations can be given for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes for a period of 5 sessions per week. This machine costs around 1 lakh, and our department gives this machine permission to be used for UG and PG graduates for their research and publication processes. And that's it about this whole body vibrator. Thank you.